Hello friends, family, tastemakers. Hello everyone, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Just want to share a quick tip on how to ripen your tomatoes from your garden. This is an old trick. I don't know where I got it. I learned it years ago, maybe for somebody in my family. And all you need to do is, and I'm going to tell you why you need to do this. Once your tomatoes get to a certain size based on their breed or whatever, they may not ripen on the vine, and when they do, a lot of times that's when the pests come and that's when they get destroyed. So once they get a certain size, if they're not turning red, that's okay, they're fine. Just go on and nip them off and put them in a paper bag. So all of the ethylene gas, all the gases that they give off, just let it work and contain itself in this bag, and they will ripen. Now this one was like this color a day ago. I put it in there, it totally ripened, okay? It only takes maybe like 24 to 48 hours. These, like these two right here, these two were the same color. Overnight, it ripened to this color, these two. So, and then these didn't have any red on them at all. So they're beginning to ripen. You see this little blush here? That wasn't there last night. So I had these. So this is what happens in 24 hours. You'll get some. This one was a day ago, and none of these little ones had any red on them. So just put them and get these little lunch bags that the kids use. Stick them in there. Just let them go. Because the tomatoes you see in the stores are, these are mass grown, and they just pump all of that gas and stuff in the greenhouse. Most of them are greenhouse grown, and once they get to a certain size, hey, they pump them full of that gas, and then during transit, they go on and they ripen more as they're on the truck. So, and I want to give, I think his name is, I worked in the grocery industry, and we learned this years ago, but I've forgotten about it, and that's Millennial Gardener mentioned that. I said, yeah, they sure do that. So that's just my quick tip. So I'm gonna put them in the bag, sit them on the counter, and I'm gonna eat this one today, I think. Okay, guys, just wanted to share that quick tip with you. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.